Hi guys, it's me Kia, and today I am going to be showing you how to use our hair DIY kit. And there are almost 3 to 4 ways you can use this kit, but since I have got so many DMs and questions each time I sell this kit that how to use it, I'm going to show you one of the many ways to use it today, and I'm going to be sharing other of the ways sooner in my later videos. So when you receive the box, you will be receiving this 50 grams of herb, and this herb, seed, flower blend is totally depending upon your Ayurveda hair dosha type, which we tell you what is yours dosha type by knowing few questions answers that are finally checked by our in-house Vaidyas, and they tell me what is your Ayurveda hair dosha type, and the further the kit is created. Really sorry if I'm blabbering. This is my first YouTube video, and this is what you will get. And the other thing which you get is this essential oil, which is totally therapeutic grade, and the essential oil is fully organic. And this is also depends upon your Ayurveda dosha type. Like one, I'm giving a very short brief about it. Every hair type does not require every kind of product. Same goes for the herbs also. Every hair type does not require every kind of herbs, or does not require every kind of herb in same ratio as other are using. So your hair may only require, let's just say, 5 grams of Jetamansi, while the others are using 10 grams, and that is helpful for them. So this whole concept is based on the point that every hair type is different, and we are celebrating your hair type. So one of the way which we can use this marks is, usually I use it ritually daily. Okay, so what I would do is, this is plain water, this is rose water, this is pure organic rose water, any market bought, and this is yogurt. So what I would usually do here is, we'll take the marks. It will come in this form, if you can see. It's just the potent herbs, and if you could smell it, it's wonderful. It's all grown in the forest in Madhya Pradesh, near Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary, where we are there. So you will need a clean spoon, because we don't want any dirty or damp spoon inside it. You'll need a clean spoon. We'll take a teaspoon of mixture. Okay, now the quantity which you are taking will depend upon your hair length. I usually use it on my scalp, so I'll go for 2 to 3 tablespoon here. Now the next thing that I'm going to be doing is, for the sake of this video I'm using yogurt, but usually I use rose water and just plain water. Why yogurt? Because there are so many wonderful benefits of yogurt for your hair. I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of yogurt here, and now I'm going to eyeball rose water, that is maybe just a tablespoon for me, and then I'll mix it all first, and then I'll use the water. I'll make it a little lumpy and not very runny, and if you feel it's a little bit runny, you can add a bit of herb too. Once you get this consistency, which is good enough for your scalp, let me go ahead and show you. So this is the consistency we require. Okay, now you have to apply it on your scalp and keep it for like 20 to 25 minutes, and then you have to wash it off with mild shampoo. And when I say mild shampoo, I mean sulfate or paraben free shampoos. And if you are little worried about how the barks or the reshas of the herbs will come out of your hair or scalp, then don't be worried about that, because usually it comes out very easily. But if you are still worried about it, what you can do is you can sieve the herb first. छानना, पहले हम इसे छान लेंगे. You can sieve the herb and then you can do this. There are another wonderful ways to use this herb is as hair rinse or as hair oil, and I'm going to be showing you those in my next videos. Hope you like it. This is our just best selling product, and I'm really very thankful and happy and fully grateful that you all have accepted this product. Thank you so much for supporting Tavastha. Have a good day. Bye bye.